thermostat works. All right.
See, okay. I come back, catch, I'm gonna film.
How you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
Right in here?
Yeah. Oh, you gonna show them, you wanna show them the room?
Yeah, you want to see this first?
Wanna see the water, the furnace?
No.
Show
Don't
them.
matter. Whichever you want.
Turn the light off. And you gotta turn the front the other way.
So it's over here. So like every time I guess it cuts on, this starts happening or whatever.
Okay.
And now it goes through in my room.
Gotcha.
Well, that's what happens. And I didn't notice that till like I moved my shoes one day. And I was like, why the bottom of my shoe wet? And I heard like a little squirt sound. Let me show you.
Hey, dude.
Yeah, keep it. That part too.
Why did they put a Y like
The black thing you talking about?
that? No, this.
What's going on?
Why did they put a Y like that?
You did something wrong?
I mean, I guess it'll work, but I just. There's a reason why they did that. It's not supposed to be that. Got a 2-inch line going all the way up the chimney, and they put a Y.
This was here. So the chimney, that's in here.
I've never seen anything like that before.
Well,
Who put this in for you?
that one's already there.
I know that. This makes sense that this was already there.
Yeah.
But
That-
this.
They did that. Company. Well, it's company. Another company. I don't know. I got one year ones that I don't want in my house. 'Cause I've had,
Who was the company?
I got it on the paper. They were, oh boy. 'Cause he said he'd come out and say, I don't want you to touch nothing. You know, so he can do the gas leak. And when I'm trying to turn the gas on, and I
I
called
think there's a gas leak right here.
yeah, and the gas came. I mean, well, they came, they turned it on, they said they needed to tighten up or something. I called my home warranty company, came out here like you, and they tightened it up and said no more gas. I'm gonna get the gas company to come and make sure. I mean, I don't smell gas, so.
Well, we don't have any gas. We don't have any gas. I don't need it. If there was gas, this would have went off already.
Yeah, so he solved that problem, whatever company that was that Troy sent him.
Did he say anything about this?
No, he was just working on the gas. That was the only problem because we hadn't turned on the heat yet. But then
put this in?
No, they fixed the gas.
They fixed the gas. And then the company that put this in for you, they came back to do this?
Did that.
So basically, this pipe, right, it pushes out steam. Because what happens when you have a gas-fired appliance and it's a high efficiency, it's plastic. That's why it's built to have steam inside the pipe. So it's like an exhaust pipe. So when you're pushing out steam, there's going to be some kind of wetness, right?
Right.
So when you're pushing steam all the way up the chimney to this going up, water is stacking back. This is how it was supposed to be built because it was designed to have a drain.
Right.
But the way they did it, they have vent pockets back here that the steam is pulling. Steam is pushing out, so that's why the water is dripping back into this cavity right here. But here's the other downsides to it is you're pushing out steam, right? And what are you doing when you're doing a gas-fired appliance? Your carbon monoxide is going out. So let's say if yeah, and this is pushing out carbon monoxide too. So what happens? So what happens when you pull your house into a negative? Right. So if it's a negative, it's gonna pull any kind of hose from outside. So what happens? It's not right.
It's not right. So you're saying I need to move it?
Huh?
Need to change it all right.
Was this already here before?
Yeah, the guy did that from the old furnace up there.
So he didn't run the pipe all the way up. He just connected from here to here.
Yeah, I think he did. He just connected me and replaced everything.
And how tall is this building?
This house, I don't know. It's just 1 story up. That's it. And then the attic. I mean, then up there on top. But nobody,
The first thing we need to do is we gotta read the manufacturer specs of this equipment and see with the 2-inch pipe how much of a linear footage can it run going straight up. Because obviously you can't trust what he just did.
right.
I don't know why he would do that. Failure to follow these venting instructions specifically may result in fire, explosion, or serious personal injury. This furnace required vent tubing that refers to installation instructions provided with this furnace. Failure to properly support this vent can result in hazardous operation. Wire shall not be used as a hanger support. Use band type support on one hand. Do not drill or screw into the vent pipe at any location. This drain trap of this furnace may be installed in accordance with the installation instructions. The minimum vent length is 5 feet. The max length is 60 feet without any logos. The maximum length must be reduced by 5 feet. The vent cap supplied must be installed when vented horizontally. There ain't no way that that came with the furnace. Yeah,
What
did you show me the paperwork?
Yeah, let me go get it.
There ain't no way that came with the furnace.
What came with the furnace?
This?
Oh no, this furnace came with this.
Yeah.
Let me go get it.
You want to see the other side yet, or you already know
Huh?
You still need to see my room or no?
Yeah, show me what your problem is.
At least my room.
Yeah, that's the problem. So it's the water leaking from that little, yeah. Man, can't make this stuff up, man.
It's right here.
Yeah, that's right on the other side of the.
Yeah, literally. I hear like a squeak out of nowhere, and then.
Is this the back of the house?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I don't know if she'd be willing to do that. Probably be.
Right.
So, basically, those two PVC lines, we could potentially go straight out the side of the house. Be a lot more better. Shorter run.
Shorter run
Yeah.
to get the steam outside.
Well, let's see what the manufacturer said first. Because what I don't want to do is, there's a little tiny fan right here. See this fan right here? This pushes out the steam. It's only able to cover a certain amount of footage. As you can see, 60 feet. If we're basing on this one, right, the max length is 60 feet without any 90-degree elbows. So you got 5, 10, 15, 20, 30. That's 30 feet already. Then you got 35. So I don't know what's up there. You know what I mean? If you don't, once you get a certain amount of footage, you got to increase to a 3-inch pipe. You have to do for it. This is not the one.
It's no thing.
There should be another one. Exactly for the furnace. Nope, it's not it.
This is it? Came with the furnace.
Yeah, but you see how that's the outdoor unit paperwork.
Oh, okay.
And then when the steams come back, it goes into this clear box right here. See this? So this is the flue vent pipe that pushes out the steam. This is the fan. When the steam comes back, it's designed. See, they didn't even put nothing right here. See, look at that. Yeah. You see, you're supposed to take this out and drain that. You see where this is?
Yeah.
You're supposed to hook up a piece of pipe from this red cap to this red cap. Because what happens when the water drips into here? It's going to go back into the motor. You know what I mean? Alright. And he didn't leave us any of the hoses too. Let me look for this.
Oh, this is something from the
Let me look for this. Can't make this stuff up, man. multi-stage unit? That looks like a 4-ton machine. There ain't no way. Can't make this stuff up, man. Ain't enough air pulling into this unit. Yep, it's 100,000 BTUs. Look what they did. Barely enough. And there's a gap right there. I'm gonna do some measurements. Let's see what happens.